Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for joining in again. Like it's been about 40 days. 40 days that means without uploading, and like many of you guys may be thinking this way ki I have posted you all and where I have been. And trust me guys, I was trying to live in the moment. I had the recording clips, I had the short videos, I had ideas in my mind, but this adulting phase I had so many other things too. I was overthinking constantly. I was managing my college. I was managing every possible thing I could do, and even trying myself to figure out my life too. And it was very hard. Trust me when I'm saying this. And even still, it's not like that. Ki I am done figuring out everything, and now I am deciding to coming back here. Trust me when I'm saying this because I was in a constant guilt. Ki what I was exactly doing with my life, because this has never been in my list ki because see, YouTube is something like where I could feel myself when I talk to the camera and I talk to the people. I feel like so much burdened off from myself. Like I feel very genuinely very hard for me to cope up with everything, to manage all the things. As you might like most of you guys already know that I was in my final year of a college, and I had so many things on my plate that I need to get done क्योंकि मैं कुछ नहीं छोड़ सकती थी. I have to get on everything. Otherwise, it's like कि I have been like missing out so many things. ठीक है? Like I have been like missing out many things. So I decided to disappear. Like even this was not my choice, but something that only thing I could do that time because I was not able to, edit videos and everything, doing the stuff. So let's start from here. Ki what exactly happened? Why I suddenly got disappear from here? So you know what, this is what something personally I felt कि most of the time used to think like कि why do creators like suddenly disappear. They might be too lazy, they might be too unmotivated, for which reason they are not uploading any videos on their channel. But the guys, the truth is that कि sometimes we are trying really hard to survive mentally while trying to stay productive at the same times. And in the middle of everything, like I was managing my college, I was managing my assignments, I was managing my final year exams, I was doing many projects of my college which is like very much mandatory. I was giving the presentations, I had to handle the teamwork, take the initiatives. I had my future plans too because I was at that phase of my life where I had to take a very important decisions of my life which can make or can destroy my future. That means कि I have to sit for the placements, I had internships, I have many more things on the plate. And trust me when I'm saying I had ideas even in my minds related to the related that I wanted to always pursue in future. I was trying to improve myself on the daily basis because when you are in the middle of something, you come to know that there are so many things you should improve, and you need to improve too. And somewhere in the middle of everything I felt genuinely so exhausted, and instead of like uploading imperfectly, I decided, or I was like constantly waiting for the right moment. Ki when the right moment will come, when everything will get sorted out, I will like um, edit the videos aesthetically, I will edit the videos accordingly. I will add the text, this and that. And वो moment कभी आया नहीं. Trust me when I'm saying this. And I kept for the like I kept waiting for the perfect comeback, and that perfect or ready moment never came in my life, and I am ended up delaying everything like for 40 days straight. And now one thing I've realized, that is कि the perfection delayed everything. This is मुझे what realize in that 40 days का जो period है. And genuinely when we are constantly looking for a perfection, that always used to delay your the work, the task that you are constantly into it. And there comes the realization part कि during these 40 days I've realized that कि if you kept still waiting for the right moment, that is not going to come to you, never ever. Even I am still in the middle of something that may things are not sorted out, but still I decided this time because I cannot delay anything more. Okay, so I decided to show up for myself, and now I'm not going to wait for the right moment to come. So if you will like keep waiting to become perfect before starting again, so you are going to stay forever, and that perfect moment will never come in your life. So in today's video too, this is not going to be any cinematic video, not super planned, not any aesthetic I'm going to add into it, because now onwards I want this channel to feel more real, and so that I could connect with my real audience, and so that I could make them feel who I am actually, and I could connect with them on the real basis, not on the perfection basis. Because so right now life update is that ki, so yes, I am done with my exams, no more college pressure, but there are still many questions in my to-do list, in my list, that I am not knowing the answers of. I am not sure if I am going to pursue the fourth year too from DTU again, because I am done with my third year, and I set for the placement. I have recorded the vlog. You guys will get to know about it. But I decided not to sit in any placements. I tried my best, but I didn't accepted offers for some reasons. I was working on myself. I was working on my mental health. I was working on my health state, and now even what I'm doing. So I have started, but now finally it's happening. You guys will get to know in upcoming videos, because first I will upload all those videos जो भी मेरे college के time के, like exams vlog, my interview vlog, my balancing my studies and everything all out together. I will upload that, and also will try to balance out with my and yes, you guys can keep wait for that. Many more things are coming, and I promise to myself, to you too, that now I am not going to wait for the perfect moments. I am going to upload the videos as they are. I want this channel to make more feel real, and instead of waiting for the right moment, we are going to do this now. So this comeback video was not just to tell you all ki I will guys upload every single day, or I'm going to be stay consistent, this and that, but mainly this video was to send you all the message that even if you are stuck in your life, and you don't know what to do, I would say just move through that pace, move with the pace, move with the speed that is going on currently. Don't try to stuck over there. Don't wait for the right moment. Take a step ahead towards your dreams, and you will eventually figure out your own things. You will know ki what is exactly suiting you and what is not. And if you have stayed till the end, thank you for waiting for me. Maybe this is your sign too, that you can always start again. So yes, this was it from my side. Thank you so much for listening me out, and thank you so much for understanding me. Thank you so much for joining in. I will try my best now to keep you guys updated about everything. And yes, bye bye. Meet you all soon in the next video.